On your smartphone, open the Meet app. And now let's create a new meeting. Once you are in Google Meet, here you will find your meeting link. Just tap this copy icon to copy your meeting link. Now, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone and go to the chat or conversation where you want to send your meeting link. And all you have to need, paste your Google Meeting link and tap on send. And that's how you can send Google Meet invitation link via WhatsApp. Or you can just go to your Meet and you can tap on share invite. And here you have to select WhatsApp. So select any WhatsApp conversation to directly send the meeting link from your Google Meet. Thanks for watching.